Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add users to Zoho CRM. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to log into your Zoho account and go to CRM. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on this setup icon or settings icon at the upper right side of your screen. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, under Users and Control, you want to click on Users. And then now, once you are here, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on this button, New User button, and then just go ahead and fill in this form. Okay, so put their first name, their last name, and the email. So let me just go ahead and do that. So this is just my other Gmail, okay? So for the role, just go ahead and choose any role that you want. Here you can select if you want administrator or standard. Okay? Now click on save. So now once you've done that, what you need to do is to check on I'm sorry, you need to tell the user that to check on their email because they should receive an email. Okay, so let me just go ahead and check it right here. Okay, so as you can see, you are invited to join Sample Work Zoho CRM account. Okay, so what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on join now, or you can just go ahead and click on this. I'm sorry, copy this link and paste it to another tab. Okay, and let let me just go ahead and do that real quick so that you will have an idea. So here you just need to sign in your account. Okay, so here once the users is signed in on their account, they should see this. Okay, so this is the invitation. So just go ahead and click on accept. So you need to rate the terms of service to proceed further. So just go ahead and read this. Click on I agree if you are agreeing with their terms of service. Okay. So now as you can see, I can have an access on the CRM. Okay. So now that is how you add users to Zoho CRM. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.